Today I'll be making a creamy vegetable risotto in the microwave. All you need is a spoon, a knife, a couple of microwave-safe bowls. I used a collection of mugs and a bowl. Olive oil, lemon juice, some sort of broth. I used chicken, some rice, and a couple vegetables that you like. And to make it creamy, we'll be adding cream cheese. First, put a tablespoon of olive oil and about a handful of chopped white onion, as well as some garlic. I used 2 cloves into the larger of your microwave-safe bowls. Cook for 2 minutes. Go ahead and add the rest of your vegetables and give it a good stir to make sure everything is coated by the olive oil. Then cook for 2 minutes. While the vegetables are cooking, now you can prepare the other ingredients. Measure 1/4 cup of rice into a bowl. This bowl will not be microwaved, so it doesn't really matter what it's made out of. Also, measure 1/2 cup of your broth into a different bowl. When the vegetables are done, you can take them out and then put in the broth. Microwave the broth until it's hot but not boiling. When the broth is ready, pour it into your vegetable bowl, or mug in my case, and add the rice. After a good mix, cover your bowl and put it in the microwave. Microwave for 6 minutes in 2-minute intervals. When it's done, after the first 2 minutes, take out your mug, but be careful, it might be hot. And give it a good stir. And put it back in for another 2 minutes. Again, take out your mug. Give it a good stir. You should definitely notice it being a little bit thicker by now. And put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. After this last round of microwaving, add a couple drops of lemon and about a tablespoon of cream cheese and put it back in the microwave to microwave just for 1 minute this time, not 2. Your final product should be fluffy and moist, and go ahead and add some black pepper or salt if you think it needs it, and you're all good to go.